guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Carla and this is a perennial pursuit. So today I want to share with you how to assemble tamales, so stay tuned.
You want to begin by preparing your corn husks. They usually come in a mesh bag, so you want to separate them and set aside the ones that are perhaps too small or have little holes in them. Once you've placed them in a long Pyrex dish, you want to soak them with lukewarm water. Okay, so as you're pouring the water down, you want to make sure that you move them around a little bit so that you can get all the dirt out, and you press them down so that you can get them soaking really well. I recommend you set them aside while you prepare your tamal mix. Once they've soaked for a while, you're going to see that they become really pliable. So you want to grab one of your husks and start ripping it apart so that you can create ribbons. You're going to use these to tie your tamales into place. Sometimes the husks come a little bit big, so you can rip it in order to create a decent sized one. Pat it down dry with a paper towel on both sides and use a kitchen scale to measure how much of the tamal dough you're going to put into it. Now, you don't really have to do this. I like to just so that I can create similar sized ones. I do anywhere between 50 and 70 grams per tamal. Once you have the amount that you want, you can shape it with your fingers in order to create somewhat of a rectangular shape. Sort of like this. Awesome. Now, wipe your fingers and get some of the filling that you're going to put into them. As you can see in this video, this is carne con mole and I grabbed a generous amount. Once you get the filling in place, you want to grab one of the sides and pull it over towards the middle. Make sure you're covering all of your tamal, and then grab the other side and pull it over snugly. You are creating a pocket. Grab the bottom and top part towards each other. Make sure that you're getting all of the dough inside that little pocket. You're gonna be able to feel it. Sorry. Then grab your ribbon, tie it into a knot twice, and woohoo!
So there you have it, how to assemble a tamale. If you guys found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you would like in the future to see some more short how-to videos, please leave me a comment in the comment box below and make sure to subscribe. Okay, well, thank you so much and hope to see you next time. ¿Tú les quieres platicar?